What if there was a way to take every area of your operation to a whole new level of performance? There is. With Tetra Pak Expert Services, you get access to our most comprehensive maintenance methodology to date. Total Productive Maintenance, TPM for short. TPM is your key to enhancing your plant's entire operations. In fact, it's so effective, we use it ourselves in our converting factories. The TPM journey comprises of just 3 steps. We begin with an assessment to establish your needs and objectives, and, unlike other programs, Total Productive Maintenance involves everyone, from management to line workers. We then use the industry's largest installed base to benchmark your performance against other operations. And finally, we identify and prioritize activities to ensure you realize your goals. Identifying your exact challenges, losses, and waste, and finding the best way to eliminate them is the best way to limit your plant's environmental impact while securing product quality. Specifically, you can reduce consumption of water and energy. This enables you to cut costs throughout your production line and start growing your business. The cornerstone of Total Productive Maintenance is its focus on staff involvement, and it encourages learning to achieve the best results. It's ideal for operations of any size that want to ensure fewer losses and continued improvements across the board. So, if you want to release your operation's full performance, Total Productive Maintenance by Tetra Pak is the answer to your needs. Tetra Pak Services, your key to boosting productivity.